name is Cassandra, and I'm a Homeworks by Precept consultant, and we have 10 children. Today I would like to show you how you can find some added resources for the Focus on 5 at the BJU Press homeschool.com website. First thing you need to do is, I just Googled it, BJU Press Homeschool, or if you know the URL, it's bjupresshomeschool.com. So we're going to click on that. And a lot of people don't know of all the different resources that there is. So I want you to click on the far right-hand corner. This is on an iPad. Your iPhone would do the same thing, or a phone. And then you click, you see Shop, Support, Blog, and Meetings. You want to go to Support and Resources. And then you want to click on Textbook Resources. So the textbook resources, you want to scroll down and you want to click on it by grade. So then we would click on K5 because we're looking at Focus on 5s. Obviously there's a lot of early learning resources on here, but we're going to focus on the 5s, so click on that. The first thing I want you to notice is the lesson plan overview. We'll click on that. This is really wonderful. You can print this off and hole punch it and put it in a notebook. This is also in the front of all the teacher editions for the Focus on 5s, but this is a wonderful resource just to have it right here. As you can see, I can scroll all the way down, and each page is set up by week. So 7 days or 5 days in the week for the lesson. So it gives you, let's just look at lesson 2. That's the day you're on, day 2. And then your teacher edition pages are 14 to 19. Your work text page is page 5 and 6 for your child. That's only one page, a front page and a back page. And then you have another page they look at is phonics practice book, and that's V. And then it tells you everything of what you're going to be looking at that day. You're going to identify the first letter of the name, state the names beginning with uppercase letters, and you can kind of read all that. Wonderful, wonderful resource. Another thing you can do if you're on your iPad or even on your desktop computer is you can save this or just print it. So on the iPad, you just click this little top button here. You can add it to your home screen if you don't want to print it. That will put it as an app picture on your phone, so you can just pop that up every time. You could save it to files, which is what I would do. I could save it in any of my files here. Or if you can print, you have an air printer, you can print. So many options that you can do to save that. All right, then let's go back to our other resources. You'll see teacher resources. Click on that. This is going to give you all the music accompaniment files for all of your class. I did a video on the teacher edition and everything that comes with your homeschool for BJU Press Focus on 5s, and one of them is a lot they do with music. So this is all your music accompaniment. Here's the alphabet song. It's kind of cool. So that has the entire alphabet song accompaniment, so then your child, and you can just listen for that. So if you wanted to save that on your iPad, you could just click here and then click add to favorites, or what I would like to do is add to home screen, so every time I need that resource, I can just pop that up. If I want to scroll down a little bit, you'll see some more. And these are word family inserts. We talked about a little bit about what word families were. These are one of the ways that phonics is taught, by providing extra practice and opportunities for your student. Their word family strips provided for all the word families taught in K5 or in the Focus on 5. So let's look at the Unit 1. So the very first words that you're going to learn are in the IT family. So you have all of these. You can see at the bottom what lesson those word families are going to be on. So I'm going to scroll down for you. This is all the word families for lesson 8 to lesson 23. That's a wonderful resource. And of course that's all the way Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then they also have the precursive handwriting fonts. You can click on that. All right, and it takes you to the handwriting. And of course this is not just kindergarten, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and all of these resources are here. So we'll go back to where we were with the Focus on 5 teacher. So I hope this is a help for you for your resources for the Focus on 5. There's just really all kinds of wonderful resources. There you go. I hope that helps. Talks a little bit about learning phonics, shaping biblical worldviews, just everything that the Focus on 5s would give you. So I hope that helps. It was a blessing to you. Thank you.